Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can fix where the File Explorer on your Windows is not opening. So the File Explorer in your Windows, this contains all the documents, the files, the pictures, the videos that you have on your Windows. Now what if this is not opening and you cannot access into the File Explorer? Then let's go ahead and fix that. First method is in the Windows search bar, type here Task Manager, Best Match. Go ahead and click on that. Now maximize this. Then here in the search bar, type Explorer. Now Windows Explorer will appear. Right click on that and then select Restart. Click Restart. Now, once that is done, try to open your Windows Explorer or your File Explorer. Next method is we are going to repair and scan for system corrupt files and repair the Windows with a command. So in the Windows search bar, type here CMD. Best match command prompt in the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here type sfc space forward slash scan now. It's sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Now this process will take some time, so let's just minimize this for now. Then in the Windows search bar for the last method, type here control panel. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Then here you need to view this into large icons. Again, you need to view this into large icons so that you can easily find File Explorer options that's under Device Encryption. Now click on File Explorer options. So the File Explorer options window will appear. Now in the General tab, you have to click on Restore Defaults. Also on the View tab, the second tab, click on that and click on Restore Defaults. For the Search tab, click on that and also click on Restore Defaults. Click on Apply and then click on OK. Now once done, close the Control Panel window and bring up the command prompt. So let's wait for this to be done. It's almost done. Once done, just type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.